Today, we're making a light, fresh, and very appetizing salad with sour cream and egg. First, take some fresh green lettuce. Rinse the leaves thoroughly under cold running water and pat them dry. Cut the lettuce into large or medium pieces, just the way you like it, and place them in a large bowl. Now, let's prepare the eggs. Boil them until hard. Cool them down and peel off the shells. Slice the eggs into thin pieces and set them aside for now. For the dressing, mix sour cream with a small amount of vinegar. The sauce should be creamy with a slight tang. Right before serving, combine the lettuce with the dressing, gently mix, and add the egg slices. Transfer the salad into a nice serving dish. Arrange fresh cucumber slices around the edges and sprinkle finely chopped dill or parsley on top. And that's it. Our salad is ready. It pairs perfectly with both meat and fish dishes. For a portion using 300 grams of green lettuce, you'll need 1 fresh cucumber, 1 egg, and half a cup of sour cream and vinegar dressing. Enjoy your meal!